Okay, great. Okay, so from this table you can analyze that data. Okay, okay. Here you can see the complete option chain data analysis from this table. We have given different. You know, you can insert. You can see the strike wise option chain analysis. Right. Right now, whatever we talk is a overall data. Right. What exactly overall happening on that stock or a Nifty or Bank Nifty. Now on this table, you can see strike wise PCR change, PCR unwinding, winding, OI change happening on C and call C side and P side, right? P unwinding, right? So what all data you can see. So let's say that you can see that okay, 16,000 PCR is more than one, so it is a positive. If it is a keep increasing, then it's a very positive, right? Again, you know, if it is these are PCR, you can see for each strike price, what if his PCR keep increasing, right? Keep getting increasing, then it's a positive side. If in multiple strike price, okay, nearby and nearby future price. So nearby future price strike right now is the 16,100 or 16,000, right? These three prices are nearby. So if nearby strike price, like you know, here, if it is a keep increasing, PCR is keep increasing here, then it is a positive side, right? Similar way, if C unwinding, unwinding means if C unwinding, then if it is C unwinding, then you know, the writers, the whole writers are closing their position in a loss. So it is, you know, they are in panic. So market can go up. So if it is C unwinding, then it is a positive indicator. If it is a P unwinding, then it is a negative indicator. Because P put writers are closing their position in a panic. So it is a negative, right? Because market can go down more. That's why writers are closing their position in a loss, right? So if it's a multiple call unwinding, then it is a positive. If it is a multiple put unwinding, then it is a negative, right? Okay. Now the another data is what change happening in C in 15 minutes or 5 minutes. What change happening on P or POI in 5 minutes and 15 minutes on particular strike price. All strike price on all strike price you can see individually, right? Same. What COI change percentage happened today in a whole day? You can see here. Similar, what P change, POI change happened in whole day. The P and C means what call and put, right? So you can see for each strike, right? So on this table you can see the strike price wise analysis, right? That will help you to see that what happening on a strike price wise, right? Okay, so now the next thing is the charts. So we have given two charts here, the OI analysis chart and the OI and volume ratio analysis chart. So it is based on those data. I told you, right, that based on those data, the two data, we are also plotting chart, and we are generating buy and sell call based on this two, right? And we are taking this data in a 10-minute interval and detailed data of all in this chart. You can see here on it is a OI analysis chart. So here is the OI analysis table. Here you can see that okay, at what 9:20 what was the COI and POI and what is the difference, and 9:30 what is the COI and POI and what is the difference. Okay, here you can say two value difference between this and this, or a current value and a previous value. It is getting positive, it is getting negative, right? Average of two values, right? Simple two value average. Okay, and the last thing, the five data, five moving average, right? Five value moving average. So moving average you can see, and based on all those data in a different interval, we are plotting this table, right? So what you can get from this table and what exact and how this tables, this chart will help you to take trade, right? So let's say that there is a three line you can see here, the difference, average difference, and moving average line, right? So if this difference is in a yellow color line, right? If this difference is going below average difference and WVA, the moving the weighted average, right? If it is going below that, then it is a negative sign. So Nifty will go down, right? If this yellow line, the difference line, is going above, it is above the both the line, average difference and weighted average, then this is a positive sign. So Nifty will go up from here. So you can take trade based on this. Simple. If it is the yellow line is going upside, right, then above the both no other two lines, then positive. If yellow line is going below the both the line, then it is a negative, right? Similarly, this is a OI and volume ratio analysis chart. Similarly, here we are taking the 10-minute interval data. The data you can see here. If you don't want to view the chart, you can simply see here, right? If it is a bullish, right, it is showing the bullish continuously here, bullish. So it is getting the no, Nifty is getting bullish. So it is a positive indicator, right? Here again, if this yellow line, the difference line, is below the average and weighted average line, then it is a sell. If it is above the average difference line and weighted average line, this yellow line, the difference line, then it is a buy. And this is working. Both the tables are working really well. We are testing the same, since last 1 year, and it is working really good. You can easily take trade based on both the tables. And if on both the table are showing same indication, right? Here you can say that okay, at 10:11 it has given the sell call. Here again, here also around 11 it has given the sell call. So you can sell it because both the charts are giving the same signals. So it is a clear sell. And if both the chart are giving same buying signals, so it is a clear buy. So based on that, you can take the trade.